Like, subscribe, smash the little bell button, and also link in description. Go check out Goat vs. Tortoise. That's my real big project. Show is in November, so, oh man. If you haven't, just go, there's an event coming up in the next few months. If it's like not watching it in the future, just have a go. See you later. Hey, Mark Trinside here. So I hope you enjoyed that piece of music. I made that with 4 randomly chosen sounds on this keyboard. So I'll show you what those 4 sounds are. The first one is this drum kit. This one here. I'll play you all the notes. It's a pretty good kit. I've had it play around before. The first sound I've noticed that I really love, it's this one. It's like a crackle of a record. We'll get there. Okay, I'm going to play you all the sounds first. I won't get ahead of myself. This is a harmonica sound, which I've put like a step modulator thing on, which is kind of cheating. I don't know if it's cheating. I didn't embrace the full harmonica sound, but it's so. And we also have this sound, which I guess is a lucky pick because it's quite a nice sound. It's quite, you know, it's pretty nice. That's okay. And this is the other one, a lead sound. So now here we are. Going to start with drums, lay down a beat. Yeah. Oh, that sound. Snare drum time. Okay, I'm going to do rehearsals. Okay, now that's sounding kind of cool. I had the idea of this kind of misleading thing. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Ooh. Whoa, it's finished, it's done. Oh my gosh. So, just to recap, me and a friend had a bet that we have to, well, it's just a competition to make as many of these videos as possible. And the format is this. We make a video with we show the finished product, which is made of 4 random sounds, which we then edit. So we show the finished product, show you the ingredients, then we show you uncut the footage of us making it. So, hope you enjoy it.